Good morning, standard 8 students. Right. Now, today I am going to solve some more question from this exercise. Right. See, let me now it is clear. So see the first question today. Question number 7, 8. A minus 2 b their power 1 by 2 into a b minus 3 their power 1 by 3. We have to simplify it. How to simplify? Since there a to power minus 2 and b first bracket and their power 1 by 2. Here also a into b to power minus 3 and their power 1 by 3. Means 1 by 2 is the power on a as well as on b. A to power 3 is the power on a as well as on b to power minus 3 also. We will use the third rules of exponent, means power their power, then both power will multiply. So solution here, a to the power minus 2 into 1 by 2, power will multiply by 1 by 2, b power is 1 here, multiply by 1 by 2, here a to the power 1, power multiply by 1 by 3 into b to the power minus 3, their power multiply by 1 by 3. So these two will be cancelled, these three will be cancelled. 8. So what is left? Left here a to the power minus 1 into b to the power 1 by 2 into a to the power 1 by 3 and b to the power minus 1 is left. 8. Now see here. A and A same base, B and B is the same base, and among them there is multiplication sign. So when base is same and multiplication sign, then power will be added. The first law of exponent, a to power minus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 or plus 1 by 3 into B 1 by 2 minus 1, 8. Now A LCM is 3 minus 3 plus 1 into b 1 minus 2 by 2. This implies a to the power minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 by 3 into b minus 1 by 2. Right? Either you leave the answer here or make the power positive, then 1 by a to the power 2 by 3 to b to the power 1 by 2. This is the answer. Either the answer is this one or this one. Both are correct. X, Y, their power m minus n into yz their power n minus n into zx their power n minus n, which we have to simplify. So their power, so m minus n is power on x as well as on y. Similarly n minus n is the power on y as well as on z. Similarly n minus n is the power on z as well as on x. So use the third rules first of exponent, x to the power m minus n into y to the power m minus n into y to the power n minus n into z to the power n minus n into z to the power l minus n into x to the power n minus n. Now among them there is a multiplication sign. So same base here and same base here x. This power will be added. X m minus n plus l minus n. This y and this y have the same base. Between them there is multiplication sign. So their power will also add m minus n plus n minus n into this state at this state. State n minus n plus l minus n. Now see here, this plus m and minus m will be cancelled. Minus n and plus n will be cancelled. Minus l plus l will be cancelled. So what is left here? Here left l plus l minus n, y m minus l, and z n minus m is left. After that we can do nothing here. So this is our final answer. Do you follow this one? Question number 8 and question number 5. 5 I have already solved. The same question is there. 5 and 8. Only written in the different way, but answer is same. Form is also same. No difference. Now question number 10. See. A to the power 2n plus 1 into a to the power 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Question number 10 by a to the power n 4n minus 1 into a square their power 2n plus 3. That you have to simplify. So what? There a to the power 2n plus 1 into a plus b into a minus b. There, so a plus b into a minus b. What is the result? Result is a square minus b square. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Right? So we will use this formula, a plus b into a minus b. The result is a square minus b square. What do we write? We can write a, in place of a there is 2n, in place of b there is 1. So a square means 2n square minus 1 square by a to the power, this will be multiplied 4n square minus n into this power will be multiplied with this one will be multiplied by 2, a to the power 4n plus 6. Right? Now here a to the power 2n plus 1 into a to the power 2n square means 4n square, 1 square means 1 by a to the power 4n square minus n. See, into sign is there, same base, so power will be added, plus 4n plus 6. Right? Here also same base, their power will be added, a 2n plus 1 plus 4n square minus 1 by, see here, 4n square. These are the like term, minus n plus 4n means plus 3n plus 6. And this plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. Right? What is left? Left here a to the power 2n plus 4n square, and here left a to the power 4n square plus 3n plus 6. Now same base and division sign is there. What you have to do? The power will be subtracted. So a 2n plus 4n square plus minus 4n square minus 3n minus 6. This 4n square will be cancelled. So a square a to the power 2n -3 है, -6 is left. This is our answer. Do you follow this one? Do you follow this one? Now this is the way you have to solve some question. Some question I will give you the WhatsApp group to solve as a homework that you have to solve. Thank you very much.